I just love heaven, and I wish I was there all the time.
What's heaven going to be like?
I'm not sure.
Are you going to get a new body in heaven?
Yes.
What's it going to be like? What's your new body going to be like?
With no cancer. And I won't be sick ever.
That's awesome. Are you going to be alone in heaven?
Nope. God will be with me.
Yeah.
And you know my most favorite part about heaven?
What's your most favorite part about heaven?
That everything's that the streets are gold.
The streets are gold?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. I love you.
And my next favorite part is that I love is that everything's so great in heaven.
Yeah. Cool.
And he says, and God will be with me.
Right.